Hello. Today I'm going to give you a brief tour of WriterDuet, a free browser-based collaborative screenwriting program. WriterDuet is designed especially for use by multiple writers on a single project, but I'm going to be focusing on the basic functions that are useful to writers working on their own as well. The free version of WriterDuet is what we're using here, but there are also various paid versions that allow the addition of more projects and more collaborators. The premium version also includes some advanced function that the free version lacks. Upon logging in, your screen should look like this. Over here you see the project info, project name, author's name, document template, and title page down here. The project name is about what you'd expect. It is the name of the project. Here's where your name goes. Selecting sync name and title page, which is selected by default, will sync the title page, which you can open down here, with whatever you type up here. So, project, my name. If you want to go back to the default document, there you go. Changing the document template will apply different formatting standards to your project. We'll come back to that later. Over here with this keyboard icon is where you're going to spend most of your time. Here's how you can change line types. If you mouse over each one, it will tell you where you should use it. It applies the formatting for each line type automatically. Let's start a new act like this. And then let's add a scene transition. Fade in. As you can see, WriterDuet realized that this was a scene transition automatically and formatted it as such. But if it somehow got it wrong, you can always change it by clicking on the different line types. Down here in the Tools menu is where you can change your line weight, import and export scripts, undo and redo changes, and check your spelling. You can also enable full screen mode here, or enable dual dialogue, which is where two characters are speaking simultaneously. Let's start a scene. When you add a line break, WriterDuet will predict what the next line is supposed to be. So after a scene heading, it knows that your next bet is going to be an action or description line. Hitting tab will change it to a character name. And then enter after that will change it to dialogue. If you press tab in the dialogue, it'll go to a parenthetical. WriterDuet does all of this automatically, which makes it easy for you to focus on what you're writing. Each line type has a keyboard shortcut that can be checked over here: Menu, Format, Line Type. Customization is unfortunately a pro feature. Let's go back over here to Project Info and change the template to Stage Play. As you can see, the script looks a lot different now. Some of this is italicized, some of the indentation is changed, and we can change it back really easily just by going back to Screenplay, which is the standard format for feature-length films. There. Now we can go back to our tools and export our creation for all of our friends to see. Lots of formats to choose from, include the title page, could save it to Google Drive. Excellent. Thanks for watching.